welcome. Welcome to this Productivity Warrior interviews.
Sure, sure.
I'm very excited to invite you, Pratik Kumar. He's a NEET aspirant. He converted his routine into a 8-hour super productive routine every day, and he's literally going super forward, and he's getting more than 90% in his exam, and he's about to hit the NEET, and I'm very sure he will become a doctor. Congratulations, Pratik. You become a productive warrior. How is your feelings?
Thank you, Ramesh. My feelings, I am feeling very good because I have converted something. I am going to something.
Yes,
I'm
awesome.
like good. I'm moving forward. That is the main thing that makes me feel good. That I am going forward.
Yes,
At least
awesome.
I'm not just scrolling or I'm just moving.
Yes, awesome. I'm very grateful to you that you followed my steps, the step-by-step manner, and you come to every inner circle call and you learned a lot and you improved. I'm very grateful for that. These kind of impactful results I'm expecting from you. Can you introduce yourself maybe a little bit? Where are you from? What do you do? And how is your life before you join this personal productivity blueprint?
I am a medical aspirant. I am preparing for NEET.
Mhm.
I am from Patna, Bihar, and I met Ramesh on. I have seen his ad on Instagram. Perhaps I did not remember where, but I think so that I have seen his ad on Instagram,
Mhm.
and then I became the part of his personal productivity boot camp. Then I became the part of his personal productivity inner circle,
Okay.
and I used to attend all the boot camps, all the calls of the inner circle. I learned a lot there. I am doing very good. I'm on 8.5 hours daily productivity routine, and I am consistent with on this routine. Thanks, Ramesh, for this bigger change because
Awesome.
before meeting Ramesh, what I was doing that I was specific the outcome that was from that 10 hours was just 3 to 4 hours.
Yes.
But now, if I am doing 10 hours, then 8.5 or sometimes 9, sometimes 9.5 is productive. I am getting output from that.
Awesome, awesome, Pratik. Can you describe about your life? I mean, what are the problems you have been facing before you joined the boot camp and then inner circle? What is your, how is your life would be? What problems you have been
My
facing?
life was just, we can use a simple word that is topsy and turvy.
Okay.
Everything is topsy turvy. Everything is scattered.
Mm.
Nothing is like on a path. Nothing is on like on a routine.
Mm-hmm.
I I was just what I think before this personal productivity boot camp that the routine is the boring.
Mm.
Routine is the boring stuff. But after this productive personal productivity boot camp, I worked on my mindset. The main thing is the mindset. What you learn from anywhere, any self-help book or anywhere else, that about your mindset. What is your mindset? What you think about more than all the books on the market. Whatever I have read, I saw that everything is based on your mindset, and you will learn how to create a mindset. This will help you to implement it. That's the very big difference between the Ramesh and the others.
Yes, awesome. Awesome, Pratik. Once you come to this boot camp and you learned a lot, and I'm very grateful that you jump into the level one person
The
productivity
main
blueprint.
problem, what I was facing that I was not aware where I waste my much of time. Then
Mm.
I started doing this journaling. I used to
Okay.
journal this.
Wow.
This is my journal. I
Mm.
used to write it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
This journaling helps to find where I'm wasting the time.
Okay. Awesome. So now you're very productive. I'm very thankful that you went through a phase where your life is completely scattered into a super productive zone. How is your feelings now? What is that top three breakthroughs you learned inside the personal productivity blueprint and inside the productivity empire? What are the top three lessons you learned?
The first thing, Ramesh, it is very good that you have a very great or a good goal, but you have to break it in micro goals. You have
Mm,
to break it for the daily goals. You have to think just about that particular thing on that particular time. If I am a student and I am studying physics right now, I have to worry about not only physics, about that chapter on, or about that topic. This is the first from the ways is that what is the definition of the productivity? That was a superb. You
Okay.
have to be, your input should be low and you have to maximize your output.
Yes. Yes. Awesome. And
And
what are the others? What are the next two
yes,
breakthroughs? What is the breakthroughs you had? Maybe what two more?
the main lack of self belief, the an intent. What is you want to do anything? You have, you first thing you have a belief on yourself. You just have to believe yourself that you can do it.
And I'm really thankful that you break through that.
And
Okay, and you finished this personal productivity blueprint and you come to the inner circle calls every week. Every week you are learning something new, right? And how you are implementing in your life. Suppose if I give you a new concept every Saturday, you and me gonna meet live. As a inner circle calls, how is your feelings after? We have a lot of students, but what is that one factor only in you that will differentiate from others because you become a productivity warrior? After finishing the inner circle call, how is your feelings, and how can you implementing the same? How are you implementing?
see, there is a principle what I am using daily, that whatever I learned from my textbook or from wherever, from your inner circle call, from your that course, that personal productivity blueprint, I
Hmm.
used to visualize it, how I doing it on my real life, how I am facing it using, and I made my mind crystal clear. Wait,
Okay.
I have to work in only on this pattern, then I have to just neglect it and move forward.
Hmm.
the
Awesome.
the the one thing, what the one principle that I believe, that you have to improve yourself daily by
Mm.
1%, by less
Oh,
than 1% also,
yes.
but you have to this principle is known as Kaizen principle.
Hmm.
What you have taught me, you
Yes.
have to improve 1%.
Yes. That is called growth mindset. Also, if you learn something new every day and
If
improving
I am
yourself,
doing 7 hours 15 minutes, yes,
that's
if you are
definitely
if
improve yourself.
if I'm working 7.5 hours, the next day my target is 7.5 hours, 5 minutes also, 7 hours, 35 minutes, 7 hours, 40 minutes, 7 hours, 50 minutes, just
Yes.
like that.
Awesome.
Because I am a medical student on biology. There is a part of brain that is called amygdala. What it do? Just like that, your mind comes in between the change you are going to do, because it makes you fearful that I'm going very big change. But when you are going to for a few minutes or 5 minute change, a very small change, then you can easily surpass it.
Awesome. Awesome, Pratik. I really like the way you put the words into it. If you are aspiring doctor, you must be very productive, and you literally cracked it. And I want you to become a real doctor in your life, and all the best for your future. And I will interview you once again after you become a doctor. And can you tell me what is the number one recommendation for the viewers who is watching? What is that one thing you really want to tell them in your own way?
See, people think that going to such, I have suggested some people, but what they think that I will do it by myself. I will go and read some self-help books, and I will go and watch some YouTubers, and go to the summary of that book. I will understand it. I will implement it. But you need to have a mentor. It is not easy to implement by yourself. You have to learn from someone who is
Yes.
experienced in that field, because experience always matters.
Awesome.
Someone who has already done, and he will also have a check on what you are doing, what you are not doing. And uh, and when you become a part of a productivity empire like a Ramesh, there are 50 people and you have to really be competitive. I am here because I was very competitive, that I have to do more than what others.
Okay. Awesome. So, so you found that inside the
I
being a
have read this from
productivity.
the Kobe Bryant.
Mm,
Yes, you have to overwork, outwork them.
Hmm. Awesome. Awesome, Pratik. And thank you for your time. And I hope you become even more productive like
So
every other
it's
productive doctor
they
in the
are
world.
more productive.
Yes.
They
Awesome.
are more productive people,
Yes.
and and they will give you, Ramesh will give you such an environment where you can easily grow.
Yes, awesome. Thank you for your kind words. These kind of words are impacting me every single day, irrespective of the money, irrespective of the results. It's all about how many people I'm impacting every single day. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you, Pratik. Bye.